Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen staple that promises a healthier and more enjoyable cooking experience, the GreenPan Lima Hard Anodized 8-inch Frying Pan Skillet. If you're tired of sticky situations and questionable materials in your cookware, you're in for a treat. This pan aims to deliver on performance, health, and durability, and we're going to put it to the test. Let's start with what sets the GreenPan Lima apart, and that's its commitment to healthy cooking. The core of this pan's non-stick magic lies in its Thermolon ceramic non-stick coating. GreenPan explicitly states that this coating is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a huge selling point for many of us who are increasingly aware of the chemicals present in our everyday items, especially those that come into contact with our food. The company goes a step further, guaranteeing that this coating will never release toxic fumes, even if you accidentally overheat the pan. This offers a significant peace of mind, knowing that your meal preparation is safer, even during those frantic moments when you might briefly forget about something on the stove. Beyond the health aspect, the physical construction of this pan is designed for longevity. It features a durable hard anodized body. Hard anodization is a process that makes aluminum stronger and more scratch-resistant. This means the pan should hold up well to daily use, resisting scratches from utensils and general wear and tear. It's engineered for superior performance over time, which is exactly what we look for in cookware that we intend to use regularly. Versatility is another key feature, and the GreenPan Lima shines here. It boasts high temperature tolerance, being oven and broiler safe up to a very impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a world of culinary possibilities, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop searing to oven finishing, perfect for dishes like frittatas, baked omelets, or even just keeping food warm. When you're actually cooking, comfort and control are paramount, and the ergonomic handle design of this pan aims to provide just that. It's made from stainless steel and is riveted for added security. The handle is contoured, meaning it's shaped to fit comfortably in your hand, offering a secure grip. This is important for safe maneuvering of the pan, especially when it's hot and full of food. Now, let's talk about stovetop compatibility. The GreenPan Lima is suitable for all cooktops except induction. So, if you have a gas, electric, or ceramic stovetop, you're good to go. This makes it a flexible option for many kitchens. Maintenance is also a consideration, and the recommendation here is hand wash only. While some might prefer dishwasher-safe cookware, hand washing is often the best way to preserve the premium non-stick properties of ceramic coatings and extend the lifespan of your pan. This ensures that the Thermolon coating continues to perform at its best for years to come. The health-conscious aspect is reinforced by its suitability for low-fat cooking. The excellent food release means you can often get away with using little to no oil, promoting healthier meal preparation without sacrificing flavor or ease of cooking. Furthermore, GreenPan emphasizes its environmentally friendly approach. The pan is designed with sustainable materials and production processes, which is a growing concern for many consumers who want to make more eco-conscious choices in their homes. In terms of overall quality, it's engineered to meet professional-grade standards, catering to both enthusiastic home cooks and those who are just starting their culinary journey. The description highlights its classic 8-inch size, making it ideal for everyday tasks like frying eggs, making omelets, or sautéing smaller portions. It's crafted from hard anodized aluminum, which is noted as being both scratch-resistant and lightweight, a nice balance for ease of handling. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. Pros, the most significant. Pro is the commitment to healthy cooking with its PFAS-free, PFOA-free, lead-free, and cadmium-free ceramic non-stick coating. The reassurance of not releasing toxic fumes, even under accidental overheating, is a major advantage. The durable hard anodized construction suggests a long lifespan and resistance to everyday wear. The high oven and broiler safety up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit offers excellent versatility. The comfortable and secure handle design enhances usability. Its suitability for low-fat cooking promotes healthier eating habits. Lastly, the eco-conscious design is a welcome bonus for environmentally aware consumers. Cons: the main drawback for some might be the hand wash only recommendation, which can be less convenient than a dishwasher-safe option. Also, its incompatibility with induction cooktops will exclude a segment of the market. While the 8-inch size is great for many tasks, those who regularly cook larger quantities might find themselves needing a bigger pan. In conclusion, the GreenPan Lima hard anodized 8-inch frying pan skillet appears to be a well-rounded piece of cookware that prioritizes health, durability, and versatility. It addresses common concerns about traditional non-stick coatings by offering a safer, more eco-friendly alternative. For individuals and couples looking for a reliable, safe, and easy-to-use frying pan for everyday cooking, especially those focused on healthier eating, this pan is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.